Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a bike phone mount. You can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and here is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. So right here you can see they do provide you guys information in terms of what kind of phone it can fit, so 4.7 to 7 inches. And if you guys turn to the back right here, they do provide you guys some more specs and features on the product as well. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, here's what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So when you guys first take it out, here's what it looks like inside. So they basically provide you guys a mount and a little box, and right here's a piece of paper. So let's take everything out first. So right here you can see we do have a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And inside the small little box, they provide you guys a gripper option that you can use to grip onto your bike or your motorcycle or anything else. So the way how you use it is actually very simple. All you need to do is just loosen this up. We'll twist it the other way to lock it. And then for this part right here is where you guys want to insert it into the mount, which I'll show you guys in a second. But I do want to open this part up inside to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so that is the widest it can go. And if you guys see the inside right here, they do have the padding on here to prevent it from moving around, and also prevent it from getting scratched when you guys do grip it onto your bar, whether it's on your bicycle or your motorcycle or anything else. But you can see how wide the mouth is when you guys do fully open it. So it should work with many type of motorcycle handles and etc. But now let's show you guys the actual mount. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see for the top part here and also for the bottom part, they do have the padding as well. That will give you guys the protection for your phone when you guys do grip it. And it also prevent your phone from moving around when you guys do use as well. And the middle part right here, you see we do have the brand logo. And if you guys turn to the back, right here is basically where you guys will mount it onto the gripper option. And then right here we do have a lock and unlock button. And also you can see in the middle right here, they have the padding as well to prevent any kind of scratches when you guys do put your phone on here. And then if you guys can see throughout the side right here, and also for the bottom as well, they do have the protection on here, so that way if you guys do accidentally drop it, that won't be an issue. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Before you test it out, let me just put it on the mount on the back first to show you guys how to set it up. So basically I want to twist this way to actually unlock it. Once you guys loosen it up, you guys can put this on, just like that, and then lock it back in place. And now you can use the grip option to grip it onto your motorcycle, bike, or anything else. And when you guys are ready to grip it, you basically want to go like this. You guys want to push it up, and that will help you guys lock it in place. And you basically adjust this part right here to move it left and right based on your own preference. But we'll just keep it there for now. So if you guys want to lock it right here so that way it won't move anymore, you guys want to push this part right here. Once you guys hear that click, then you guys are all set. So if you guys try to pull it open, it won't go anymore. But if you guys do unlock it, if you guys try to pull again, it will open. So you definitely want to make sure you guys lock it in place once you guys do put your phone on here, so that way it won't move and you don't have to worry about it falling out. So once you guys put it on, eventually it does give you guys a pretty good grip. So that way you don't have to worry about your phone dropping or anything when you guys do set it up. But like I mentioned, for the product, it does give you guys a one-hand operation. So if you want to take it out, you guys can just use one hand to take it out real easily, just like this. And you can use one hand to put it back in. And if you guys want to turn 360, you do have the option available as well. So that is basically how you guys set a product and how to use it. You can see it definitely does work, and should work quite well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality bike phone mount, like the one that we have right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.